Hi everyone, it's Kayla. Welcome back. So today I have a short story box to share with you. Now, short story is a box that I have shared on my channel before. It is a styling service for petites, and I've had pretty good luck with this box. The last box I got, I think, was around maybe Christmas time, I want to say. It does take quite a bit to curate and ship your box. I don't know why. I think it's because they're a newer company and so they're just getting started, which is okay with me. And I think I kept one or two things from that box. I have a camo cardigan that I wore actually last week that I kept from this box. So they do have some really great choices that they can send to you. And I really can't wait to try things on because I took everything out of the box. It's sitting over there on the table and there are some really promising things. So I can't wait to try things on. Let's get to it and see what they sent me. Okay, so first top, this is by the brand Melloday. This is the Petite Savannah wrap blouse in the color Stone. It's an extra large petite. It's $43.77. It's 84% nylon and 16% rayon. I love the color of this blouse. I think the color is so pretty. It is a true wrap style top and it does have a modesty snap right here. The neckline, before I started filming this clip, I tried to kind of play around with the neckline. I'm not sure if it's supposed to kind of be a little bit flapped. See how it's kind of like flapping a little bit? Or I don't know if it's supposed to be like straight. Either way, I'd probably have to like iron it to make it stay the way it's supposed to stay. Can't figure it out though. And it does have these really cute roll tab sleeves. Look at the cute buckle detail on each side. I think that's so cute. So I like this top. It is a little bit short. You know, it's a petite, but it is a little bit shorter than I think I'd like. The back is a little bit longer, which I'll show you in a minute, but I just don't know if I can get over the collar. I don't know how it's supposed to lay, but it is a really pretty top. What do you think? All right, let me show you the back. So I think the fit is good. I'm just worried about this neckline. I don't know. And the material, yeah, it's a little bit wrinkly, but I don't know. I kind of like it. It would be really cute with like white pants for the spring and summertime. The material feels really great. It's very breathable. It feels like it would be a great top to move into the warmer weather. So yeah, I don't know. I'm gonna watch back and see what I think. And I can't wait to hear what you think either. All right, I'm gonna change. I'll be right back. Okay, so this next top is by Camuto. This is the layered v-neck blouse. It's in the color Cabernet. It's in a size large. It's $48.79. I love Camuto. This is 98% polyester and 2% elastane. Now, the color is absolutely gorgeous. I really love the color, and she actually mentioned that in her note that she knows I like this color, so they are paying attention. It's just too low. You could tell it's so low cut. So I couldn't wear it to work, and I wouldn't want to wear a cami underneath. I almost wonder if I should size. I don't know why she sent me a large. It fits, and it fits comfortably, but I almost wonder if an extra large would have been a little bit better. But then again, it would have been probably a little bit lower, so I don't know. It's like a kind of a wrap style at the top. They're calling it layered because of how it creates like the neckline look, which I really like. You couldn't really wear, well, I wouldn't want to wear jeans, and I have black jeans that they sent me on, but I probably would want to wear a black pant or any kind of pant that has like a flat front where you couldn't see, because you could tell, you could see the zipper, you can see the button through if you look. I like the length of it. I think it's a great length. I like the sleeves. The sleeves split and they have a button detail on each side, which I really like, but yeah, it's very low cut. I love the color though. I love the concept of this top. I just wish it was, I mean, I guess I could fix it. I guess I could, but let me show you the back. So I like it. I'm gonna watch back and see what I think. All right, let me change and I'll be right back. Okay, so this cardigan is by the brand Hippie Rose. It's the Carly Longline cardigan in gray. It's a large, it's a poly rayon spandex blend, and it's $36.45, so not a bad price. Although, I always say this, but my friend Linda and my friend Teresa, they're probably like, Kayla, we can get you one cheaper. But I do really like this cardigan. It's a good length. I like the gray color. I think this might be a good cardigan for like the weekends and things like that. It's so soft and it's so comfortable. It does have pockets. So it's just a basic kind of gray cardigan. It does have like the ribbing detail right here. You can see that, right? And then it does have some ribbing detail on the The wrists, oh my gosh, it's early. Why couldn't I haven't had my coffee yet. I gotta have my coffee. The wrists. And then it has the same ribbing detail on the bottom too, so it kind of goes around, so you can see that. So I like this cardigan. This one may be my keeper from this box, I'm thinking, but I have a jacket to try on that. Kind of seems interesting. But anyway, what do you think? Just kind of basic, right? Good coverage. But so this might be cute with like some black leggings or, you know, jeans, kind of lounging around on the weekend. I like it. It's soft. All right, let me change and I will be right back. Okay, so I have on the Moto jacket. This is by Max Studio. This is the Minimalist Knit Moto. It's in the color blush. It's an extra large. It's $46.60. Not a bad price for a Moto jacket, huh? Oh, I forgot to look at the material. I'll put it across the screen. So it's kind of cute. I didn't know if I was gonna like it because I'm like hit or miss with Moto jackets. I only have one Moto jacket and it's white. And I actually haven't worn it yet. So maybe that's a sign that I shouldn't get this one. The material on this one, so the other Moto I have is more of like a denim kind of material, I would say. It was a Liverpool Moto jacket that I got. So this one's a little bit more of like a, I don't know. I gotta look at the fabric and see what it is, but I like this one. I don't know, do you just wear Moto jackets open like this? So I don't really pull for them a lot, but this would be cute for spring. Now, normally like blush colors and rose colors are hit or miss for me. This one's not bad. What do you think? I think I can pull off this shade. It does zipper, but do you zip up your Moto jackets? I tried to zip it up before when I was trying it on, and then like, look, it looks lumpy. And I was like, what is that? But it's the material from like the Moto jackets. So I think I'd wear it open, especially this one, because the material just feels like it would look bulky, zippered up, and you kind of got that idea when I just did that. But I think it's cute. There are pockets that zip on this side and on both sides actually. The sleeves are a little long. I'm kind of surprised the sleeves are long for being a petite styling box, but I don't know. I do have short arms, so let me show you the back. So this might be cute with like what I have it on with, the black denim and then maybe some like black booties. I do have my peep toe booties that I'm gonna put on with the jeans because the jeans are cropped that they sent me. So you're gonna see, I want you to see them with the shoes so that you can see how cropped they are, if that makes sense. And I can see how cropped they are because I really haven't seen them in the mirror yet. So, all right, but let's talk about the jacket. What do you think? Should I keep it? I can't wait to watch back on this one. I can't wait to see what the fit looks like. This might be fun to have for spring and not a bad price either. So, all right, I'll be right back. I'm gonna show you the pants and then we'll do a recap. So hang on one second. Okay, Robin, your girl's here for a visit. She wanted to say hi to you. So I have on the Democracy jeans. These are the Petite Absolutions ankle skimmers in black, $58.62. I do like them. They fit great. So I'm gonna come closer so you can see. They are kind of more of a high rise. I do like them. They have pockets front and back. They're just a basic black denim. I do have a couple pair of black denim. I don't know that I need another pair. So they came to me cuffed. So I uncuffed them to try them on and I put on some black booties. They come right to the top of my booties. So, I mean, they're a pretty good length too. What do you think? I like them. I really do. I think I like them. I don't know if I need them though. That's why I'm not trying to fall in love with them because I don't know that I need them and I'm trying to be so good and not buy things that I don't need. So yeah, I don't know. What do you think? Do I need them? Or do I be good and stand my ground and say I don't need them? Let's see, I think I have 2 or 3 other pair of black jeans and I do wear them a lot. That's the thing. And we all need a good pair of black denim. So if I want to wear them, you know, twice in a row, I'll have a couple options. Just trying to justify it. I don't know, I'm gonna watch back and see. All right, I'll be right back and we'll do a quick recap. Okay, so I thought this was a great box. I was very happy with it. Now, let's go over the things. I think I'm going to send back the black jeans. I do love them and they fit great, but I just don't think I need them right now. And I think I'm gonna hold my ground and send them back. But I'll let you know because I may change my mind. I'm gonna try them on one more time. I like democracy jeans too. Like I'm pulling them back. I was gonna put them towards the box, but I do like democracy jeans a lot. But you know what? I don't need them. I'm gonna hold strong. I'm gonna hold strong and send them back because I don't need them right now. They're gonna go over there. Now, I really like this Moto jacket a lot. I only own that one Moto jacket. And I know I said I don't pull for it and I haven't worn it, but spring is coming and I want to start wearing spring colors, and it's hard for me to find a blush color that works for me, and I really liked this one. I can see myself wearing it to work, wearing it out on the weekends and things like that. I want to tell you the material. The shell is 52% polyester, 42% rayon, and 6% spandex, and then the lining is 65% polyester and 35% rayon. I like this. I really do. Let me know what you think. So I think I'm going to keep this one. I really do like it, and it's unique to my closet, and that's what I want to start adding to my wardrobe, and I can see myself pulling for that. Think about it with like a nice floral blouse underneath, and I can wear it to work, and then if it gets warmer, you know, I have that layer. So yeah, I'm thinking. Even though I haven't had my coffee yet, I gotta go make my coffee. And then this cardigan, I like it. I don't know if I need another gray cardigan, but it was very soft, it's very comfortable, but I think I'm leaning towards keeping it because it'll be good for like weekend wear and things like that. But you know, I can't dress it up and wear it to, you know, out and things like that. So I think I might keep this one too. Now, I was so hopeful for the Vince Camuto blouse, this burgundy blouse. I really love the concept of it, but it's just too low cut. So this one is gonna go back, and I'm really sad to send this one back because this would be a great work blouse if it wasn't as low cut as it is. I really, really do like it. I was so hopeful for this top. And then I am going to send back this slate gray top too, but I want more of this color. I really like this color. So this is like a gray. The slate gray has more of like the blue tone to it, and blue is a good color for me. So I think I'm gonna ask in not just this box, but some of my other boxes for like the slate gray color. I think this is a pretty cool like color for spring and summer, and I think it looks great with white denim. So yeah, I just don't, the reason why I'm not keeping this one is the collar. I just don't know that I cared for the collar, and the material, I love how breathable the material is, and I know I can iron it out. I don't mind ironing. I know I'm crazy. I love to iron. I really do. But I just don't like my stuff to look wrinkled throughout the day. I don't know. I might be sad to send this back. I was so hopeful for this one too because I love the concept of this one too, but I gotta figure out this collar. I don't know, but my keepers, what I'm thinking is the denim, not the denim, the Moto jacket and the gray cardigan. What do you think? Let me know in the comments below. What do you think I should keep? I always love reading your comments and hearing what you thought of the box. Thank you so much for watching. I really, really appreciate it. I hope you're all having a wonderful day, and I'll see you in my next video.